This summer comes an epic story of the heart.
He was caught shoplifting with his friends.
I just don't know what I'm gonna do with him.
You will believe in miracles.
This is a 3-month program which will allow your son the opportunity to discover a new way of thinking. It's an international program where we exchange your son for another child in another country.
Everything is about to change.
Me and him have to sleep in the same bed?
Yeah, man, this is how it is in Jamaica. You have to learn to share.
I don't want to stay here. I don't want to stay here.
Isaiah, so this is Miss Jackson. You need to respect Miss Jackson.
Miss Cassandra, you didn't pray.
Pray.
Yeah, at our house, we have to pray before we eat.
All right, bow our heads. Now, Alani, don't. No.
A test of courage.
This is child abuse. You know what? I'm gonna call the police. I'm sick of getting pushed around.
Call the police, Malik. And remember, this is not America. This is Jamaica. It's not 911. It's 119. Here, call the police.
That attitude of you, it's not gonna take you nowhere.
Hey,
What's this?
this is money I've been saving up from the barbershop.
Oh, no, Isaiah, I can't accept that.
Critics are calling it the best movie of all time.
You and Miss Maxine has changed my life so much.
This summer, be prepared.
I'm so proud of you. And remember, everything you learn these 3 months, you're going to need it for the rest of your life, man. Don't forget it.